What's up, YouTube? My name's Chance. The channel is Chance Bishop's Breaks, and today we have ourselves a Pokemon Paldean Fates mini tin display case opening. So in this box right here, we are full of mini tins, which I believe are 10 mini tins with 2 packs per tin of Paldean Fates, the current little subset out for Pokemon TCG. So we're going to take a look here at 10 different tin arts we have. Alright, so there we go. I can't even see it once it's opened up. We have Smoliv. We have Flamigo. Oh, boy, it's Tinkaton's pre-evolution Tinkatink. Mousehold. Palafin. Oop, fumble. And Mousehold right there. Again. So we do have 10 mini tins to get into. Each should have 2 packs of Paldean Fates. So let's get right into this opening, I guess. We're gonna fast forward first, though. So here we have 20 packs of Paldean Fate, right? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 packs of Paldean Fates. Hopefully, we can pull the special illustration rare Charizard. In our last Paldean Fates opening, we pulled the special illustration rare Gardevoir. We're also looking for a big chase card of mine is the shiny rare Sableye. Sableye is my favorite Pokemon, so we're looking to pull that just for it as Polnard, and there's a Paldean Wooper. We're looking to pull that just because it's my favorite Pokemon, and of course I'd want to pull the shiny variant of my favorite Pokemon. That was actually my last Pokemon sleeve. Alright, I actually do have some right next to me. So, no issues there. Pack number 2. Hopefully, maybe these packs are just loaded, and it's 20 packs, and it's 20 pulls. It's not going to be 20 packs, 20 pulls, I guarantee it. Ooh, Noivern. It's our second Noivern we've pulled. But shiny ultra rare? I forget what these are specifically called. It's like shiny rare, ultra rare. Or shiny ultra rare. But a Noivern, so we're 2 for 2 on hits. Alright, come on. Looking for one specific shiny rare, which I know when you're looking for one shiny rare, it's what makes everything fun. We got Scyther, not Thor, it's Thur. Scyther shiny rare. Alright, there we go. Good old Scyther. Alright, pack number 4. Ooh, nothing in pack number 4. That's unfortunate. Mimikyu, though, is the rare. Pack 5. We have Fire Energy, Students, Ditto for the shiny rare. So far, 3 shiny rares, 1 shiny ultra rare. Alright, ooh, there we go. Clodsire EX, a nice little double rare right there. I feel like just because everyone's not really caring for the double rares or the other cards in this set, everyone's looking for the shinies, that I guess like the normal base set kind of just gets underappreciated. And I was like, oh yeah, there are cards for that base set right there. Alright, here we go. We got Judge. This is our 3rd Judge, by the way. We have 3 ultra rare Judges. So if you guys need a Judge, hit me up. I have 3 of them now. Alright, here we go. Flamigo and a Palmy. 2 hits in this one. Flamigo shiny rare and Palmy illustration rare. But that is a shiny Palmy in there. I think my first shiny in Scarlet and Violet was in fact a Palmy, and I didn't realize it was a shiny at first just because of how similar it looks. Where it just seemed ever so slightly off, where it's like, that just seems different. So, yeah, that's the fun things that happen in Pokemon. We have a Mabostiff, shiny rare. Very angry dog, very angry dog. Good old Mabostiff. We have Reverum. Alright, let's go. Fido Nemona is a Noivern EX. Little double rare right there. Fun little double rare action. Alright, we have, there you go, Toedscruel, shiny ultra rare. Everyone likes the pink Tentacruel, especially people go crazy for the pink Toedscruel though. That's yeah, definitely our first Toedscruel we've pulled. We've done the Squawkabilly, we've done the Noivern before. And we've done one more, but the Toedscruel is definitely a first. Alright, looking for that Mew or the Charizard special illustration rare. We got Armarouge, shiny rare. Looking for the Mew and the Charizard special illustration rare. Looking for the Sableye shiny rare. Alright. Here we go. Mimikyu rounds out the pack. Alright, we have Mastiff and Mabostiff in the same pack there. So 4 packs left, including this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 5 packs. 5 packs, including this one. We're going to get, Pidgeot EX. So I believe that's the last shiny ultra rare we needed. So we have all of the shiny ultra rares, if I remember correctly. I'm probably remembering wrong, but I'm pretty sure there's 5. 4 or 5. I think that was the last one we needed. I could entirely also be wrong, and I've gotten that one already, and I need a different one. Alright, we have Paldean. Shiny rare. Strange, he has a shiny rare and a illustration rare, because Charizard doesn't have a shiny rare version. Only has a special illustration rare. Same thing with Gardevoir, who only has the special illustration rare, which we pulled in our last opening. So, here we go, Golden Go. Rounds out the bunch. 2 packs left. There we go. Haunter and a Noivern EX. That's our second Noivern in 20 packs. Only one illustration rare in 20 packs, though. Maybe we get another one here. A special illustration rare, maybe. Charizard or Mew, Sableye. Alright, and Cerulege rounds out the opening here. So let's get into our recap here. It's a fairly decent-sized recap, actually. We had 3 double rares. We had Noivern, and a Paldean Clodsire for our 3 double rares. Trying to line those up. There we go. We had 1 ultra rare, our 3rd Judge we've pulled on camera. We had 1 illustration rare, being the Palmy. We had 3 shiny ultra rares, being Pidgeot, Toedscruel, and Noivern. And then how many of these do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 shiny rares, being Paldean, Armarouge, Mabosif, Flamigo, Ditto, Scyther, and Pollinard. Put him up there. So we had a total of what? 8, 12, 15 hits in 20 packs. So fairly good odds. Fairly good bang for your buck, actually, out of that box. 20 packs, 15 hits. Not bad at all. But if you guys enjoyed this opening, hit that like button, comment down below. Until next time, YouTube, though, peace out, rock on, stay super classy. And we'll catch you on our next opening here on the channel.